Daddy's and Cohen are riding their motorcycle down there, and I'm just waiting for them to come. Where are they? Doing something crazy. Found it. Just waiting and waiting. There they go.
Don't touch the exhaust when you get off, okay? So get off this side, get your foot on the peg, and don't hit the exhaust, and then jump clear. Nice.
We took a longer ride, Caden.
Is that a movie?
Yeah.